Hello everyone, this is my second son and his name is Dhruvan. We usually call him Dhruv. Ah, yes, ma. Dhruv, say hi.
Hi.
This is my first son and his name is Dev Darun. Dev, say hi.
Hi.
And Dhruvan is going to do some fine motor skills and gross motor skills. In the upcoming videos, you will see that. Now he is going to do some scribbling activities. Initially child will hold pencil like this only, so he holding pencil like that. Now he is going to pose some chickpeas from one cup to another. Good job! Super Dev! Papa dan pada. Super Dhuru! He's just smiling at you. He knows I'm taking video, so he's performing. Wait பண்ணுமா. Dhuru, open the bottle. Opening the lunchbox also comes under the fine motor activity. So I let him to do this. Close பண்ணுங்க. Dhuru, close பண்ணுங்க. Super, thank you. Now Dhruvan is going to do cutting activities. Cutting activity comes under the fine motor skills. Very good. Good job. Super Dhuru. Thank you. Now Dhruvan is doing blocking activities. This comes under the fine motor skills. Good job. Now Dhruvan is going to do some gross motor skills. Dhru, jump.
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 Ah.
Super. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Dhru, wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your fingers.
Ah. Super.
Wait. Dhru, turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around. Turn around. Good job. Now Dhruvan is going to do gross motor skills activity. He's riding the cable car. Dhru, say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Speed out, Rene. Speed out. Speed upper.
Come on. Now Dhruvan is going to show the climbing activity. Dhru, chair mele irunga. Sit down. Sit down. Climb please.